Good day, writers. I'm Miss Sam. We're about to start something really exciting, Writer's Workshop. In Writer's Workshop, that's when we gather together and we think of stories, we tell them, we draw pictures about them, and we write them. And guess what? We get to be like real authors and even put books together. It's going to be fun. So let's get started. Now, something I want to teach you today is what happens to a lot of writers. Sometimes we don't know what to write. Sometimes we can't think, well, what should I write about? I have nothing to write about. I'm going to show you what to do when you think you don't have something to write about. We're going to do a heart map. Over here's the heart map. And the first story that comes from my mind into my heart are hurt stories. Everybody's been hurt sometime in their life. Sometime you might have had to have a Band-Aid. I'm going to write Band-Aid here. Band-Aid. One time you might have had stitches. Ooh, that's bad. You have to go to the hospital to have the doctor put in stitches. That's a story. Sometimes we call those stories boo-boo stories. And how do we feel when we have those stories? Most of the time we feel sad because it hurts and we cry. So a lot of times these stories are sad. Now, writers, the first thing you want to do after you think of your story is to tell it. So what do writers do? They tell the story. You have to tell it first before you can write it. So I'm going to tell my story. When I was 7 years old, I wanted to ride my bike. So I went outside and I asked my mom if I could ride my bike, and she said, "You may ride the bike on the sidewalk, but don't go down that steep hill at the end of the street." I got on my bike and I was riding down the sidewalk, but suddenly it was boring just riding down the sidewalk. When I saw the steep hill, there it was, the steep hill. Maybe just once I'll go down the steep hill. So I took my bike and I started down the steep hill. Oh no, I'm going too fast. Suddenly I hit a bump and I flew off the bike. My bike went up in the air and I went down on the ground. When I finally landed, I looked down and my leg was all bloody. I should have listened to my mother. Well, that's my story. That's my hurt story. And I've got a lot of others, but that's the one I'm thinking of today. So I had to tell my story. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to plan the story. That means we're going to draw. We're going to draw pictures. And they're going to be stick figures. We call that sketching. Not an illustration, but a sketch. So over here's page 1, page 2, page 3, because I've got a beginning, middle, and end. All right, on page 1, remember, it was at my house, and I was outside. I'm happy. This is me. I'm going to label that so you'll know that's me because it's a stick figure. And here's my mom. Remember, she's in the story. Mom. And it was a sunny day. And we also have to have the bike. Now, bikes are kind of hard to draw, but I've kind of learned. You put 2 circles, make a triangle, circle for the seat, and then some handlebars, and that'll do for a bike, okay? There's our first story, part of the story. Now I'm going to plan the second part of the story. That's when I was riding on the sidewalk, sunny day, but I was bored. Remember? Here I am. kind of bored. I'll look like I'm bored. Okay, so I'm writing, and I'll put a tree over here. Okay, that's page 2. Now the last part, remember in the story? Oh, and by the way, here's the steep hill coming up. And here is the steep hill with this big bump. And the bike goes flying in the air. That's an important part of the story. And I go in the air, hit the ground. I'm not happy now. Remember, my feelings are sad, and here's all that blood gushing, dripping on the ground. Yucky. And that's how my story ends. All right, writers, tell the story, plan the story by drawing, and now we're going to write the words. This will be a reminder of what writers do. Okay, now here is the first part of my story, and I'm going to write quickly. I want to have time for you to write today. So I'm going to write quickly. It was a pretty, I'm trying to write nice and neat too though. You can write fast sometimes and neat. It was a pretty day. I wanted to ride my bike. My mom told me to ride only, ooh, that's an important word, only on the sidewalks. She told me not to go down the steep hill. Very good. My words are about my picture, because it's just my mom and I before I write. Now here I'm writing. Now to save time, boys and girls, because I want you to write a lot, I went ahead and wrote this part of the story. I'll just read it. I was riding on the sidewalk. It was boring. Then I saw the steep hill. Just once I told myself, I'm going down it. And then here is our ending of the story. I started down the hill. Oh no, it is too fast. I hit a bump and I flew in the air. When I landed, I cut my leg. My leg was bloody. And I can even add more to my story, but that's where I'm going to stop, because it's your turn. So writers, today and every day, when you write, you tell your story. You plan the story by drawing, and then you write the words to see if you can match them with your plan. Writers, are you ready? I know you're thinking of a story. Thumbs up if you're thinking of a story. Good deal. As you write, stretch the words out if you need to. And mom and dad and grown-ups, give them a chance to try to put down the words before you may want to help them with the spelling. Okay? All right, happy writing.